CAEL brand new 4-ton excavators with zero-turn, hydraulic thumb, swing boom, and a huge cab with AC and heat. This powerful machine comes with steel tracks to stay firm and solid while digging and excavating heavy loads. With a highly powerful Kubota engine and zero-turn, which will increase mobility with 360-degree access, this machine can dig up to 10 feet easily and provides a lifting height of up to 11 feet. With warranties on the engine by Kubota and parts by CAEL, this machine is made to work on Canadian soil. Come visit our showroom in BC, Ontario, and Montreal for a test drive or visit www.capitalautoequipment.com.